Humbling boys. Is that right? Humbling boys.
The next setup is Hurling boys.
No! What did I say? Humbling. Okay, that part's cute.
You like the Humbling boys. It kind of felt like in the set dance that it was kind of rambling, and then all of a sudden went, anyways, this is the end of the It's like, and now the set's over. Yeah, it's F. It's F.
Top F. I think it's better than Orange Rogue.
I don't think it's better than Orange Rogue.
Okay, then put it.
Orange Rogue had Identity Crisis, but it wasn't
Okay.
bad. Four Masters 2. I think it's
Okay.
it's right there.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Yeah.
You're good with that?
Yeah, I just didn't like it. So
You're solid with that?
Whatever.
All right. Hey, happy birthday.
It's my birthday!
We're recording this, it's midnight now. We've been doing this list for a while.
So long.
This is how you're entering your next year. Rating traditional Irish set dances. Well, modern Irish set dances.
Modern and some trad.
And trad,